Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change your picture of your Google profile. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Chrome. Then over here you can see your profile icon or a person icon over there. Tap on it. Over here you can see the option of pen or edit. Tap on it. You come across profile picture. Then over here it is written visible to anyone. Here you can see change or remove. You can also remove your profile picture if you don't want any. Then tap on change. Here you can see your pictures, as well as you can choose a picture from Google Photos, My Computer. From your computer you can drag and upload. You can choose from Google Photos over here. Here I'll choose some graphic designs. Choose any one. I'll choose this. You have to adjust the picture accordingly. Then after, tap on next after choosing your picture. Make sure you save as your profile picture. There you go. Your profile picture has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.